a new year and I was like, let's try something new. So I got this needle punch kit from the dollar store and failed miserably. There's a little bit of a learning curve there. We'll get back to that. When a craft fails, it just kind of puts you in a mood. On the bright side, this chair I ordered from Amazon arrived. I paid $36.99 for it, which is a little on the pricey side for me. But I'm starting to collect some more detailed items for my mini, and it was Christmas, so you know how that goes. The frame is plastic, the bottom can spin, the wheels can roll, and the seat is a little squishy. Let's place a 1/6 scale doll in it. Not bad! Check that out! And it can even go down! What? Oh yeah, Mini Toya can sit in her chair and boss around all the dolls on the shelf. Pleasantly surprised by this one. When ordering online, sometimes you just never know. You can see little stitched details molded into the plastic. There's an armrest, some little details right there. It's a nice chair. This is our wooden dollar store desk that we made a while back in a previous video. I think we can totally put these two together. It can't go under the desk, but it still might work for photos. Bella opened a Mini Fashion Series 2 surprise capsule, and she got the cream and black bag off camera. Seriously? Maybe some of her luck has rubbed off on me. Maybe not. But I'm hoping I will get a new bag today. I don't know. Is there even a bag in here? What? Let's open it up and see. We have one of the shoes. It's official. Bella is my good luck charm. This is a glitter silver shoe purse. It has MF on the side. It's red on the bottom. Has a chain and I believe a working zipper. Does it? Yeah, I think it would work, but I have a very bad luck with zippers and I'm not gonna try that right now. But looking at this shoe, Mini Fashion, make us some pairs of shoes, please. Our accessories are a sticker of another shoe and ooh, we got a little keychain with a heart on it. It does say love, a tube of lipstick, and a bracelet. Personally, I can do without the bracelets. What? She also found Miriam from Turning Red? Are you kidding me? She is ultra rare. All we need now is Priya. Hopefully, we still have some of that Bella good luck. And let's see. This is... Oh my goodness, it worked! Yes! You gotta be kidding, right? This did not just happen. My Turning Red collection is complete. All right, we still have one more to open. And this is Special Edition Lotso, and it smells like strawberries. Hope I'm saying that right. But this is awesome. In a recent Versus video, we made our own MGA's Miniverse Make It Mini Food Cheesecake. In the comments, some of you said it looked like a crepe cake before we tried to fill in the lines. Then I was like, what's a crepe cake? Jess looked it up. It's a cake made out of crepes. It's in the name. Let's use brown, cream, and white cardstock. Use our large hole punch to punch out some holes. Out of the white, brown, and cream paper. And let's do one dark brown. Okay, maybe two. I'm gluing together 2 brown circles and 1 cream for the crepes. Not sure if we need the cream, but we'll see how it goes. Glue together 2 to 3 white circles, then stack and glue the layers together. Glue the 2 dark brown layers on top. Let's scratch up the top for a little texture. I add a little white school glue on top because it'll give us a nice little matte finish. Then set it aside to dry. While waiting, I've got Christmas presents. Happy mail! This is from our fabsome bestie, Monique. Socks! Oh my goodness! Star Trek socks. There is Spock and Captain Kirk and Captain Picard. Best Christmas present ever! Really? I love this. A Christopher Banks sweater was also included. It's a Christmas ornament and says 2022 in the back. It's pretty easy to get on the doll. Oh wow, it's kind of perfect. And we also have decorations. How cute is this? Look, it makes noise. That is cute. Love it. Ooh, pretty. That's gonna be adorable on the fireplace. So many decorations for next year. Thanks, Monique. There's more. This is from M Creations Paris on Etsy. This is just too sweet. Oh no, I tore the sticker. All right, here we go. Ooh, free clothes. There's a card. Hi, Toya. I'm sending you all my best wishes for this Christmas time. I hope you'll have a wonderful time with your family. I think I remember you commented you liked this outfit. I hope you'll be happy with it. Seriously? All I have to do is leave a comment and I get free clothes? I love this universe! And a calendar! Ooh, that could make a nice wedding dress. Let's set up a quick room. Our 2 Barbie-style rooms, which combine to make one room. We have a pink sleeveless top, pink, purple, blue, and gold pants. They are wide at the bottom, and a cape. Okay, Mini Toya totally looks like the boss of a doll modeling agency. Put her in the chair, and she's ready to ruin some dolly careers. Just joking. Mini Toya is a great boss. Our little crepe cake is dry. I'm using my X-Acto knife to cut through all these layers. Part of me thinks I'm going to ruin it, but we're gonna try it anyway. I did it! It's a little crooked, but we did it! This was a terrible idea, by the way. This took forever. You know how much paper this is? But now we have a tiramisu crepe cake with a slice cut out. I saw one on Pinterest that had chocolate syrup drizzled on it. So I'm making a hole in the top of this Hershey syrup mini brand that can fit a paperclip. I cut the other end of the paperclip. I make another hole in the top of the cake to fit the other end of the paperclip. I know the bottle is going to be a little too heavy for the cake, so I'm going to glue the cake to a doll plate. Mix together Mod Podge and brown paint. Paint the paper clip, then paint a little syrup on the slice of cake, allowing it to just kind of drip down the sides a little and onto the plate. Once dried, we should be able to just put the paper clip in the small hole and it stays, making our own frozen moment mini that is removable for easy storage. And if you just want to have the slice of cake again, I love options like miniature, fashion, and accessories. I ordered a new purse from Mimi's Dolls World on Etsy. It has a red chain wrist strap. It's a red faux snakeskin with a jeweled V in the front. I could have paired it with this red sequin jacket from the Dream Ella Extra Iconic doll. However, after I removed it, I did notice some staining on the doll. But this could just be my experience and yours could be different. And Mimi's Dolls World threw in a free gift. Yeah! Speaking of Dream Ella, I've totally fallen down a rabbit hole. They can fit some rainbow high clothes. Stretchy tops and t-shirts seem to work pretty well. This skirt fits perfectly. It looks like they can fit rainbow high shoes. There is a little bit of space in there, but it's not bad. However, open-toe shoes do appear to be a little large. Here's a heel. It does seem like it's gonna fall off any second, but we can totally get away with a heel with an ankle strap. Yo, there's a battle of the Extra Minis. Barbie Extra Minis versus Dream Ella Extra Iconic Minis. This is not my preferred scale, but I don't mind taking a look. Barbie Extra Minis are now priced at $16.99. There's been a little increase, but you can find many of them on sale. The Dream Ella Extra Iconic dolls have prices ranging from $14.96 to $9.99 on Amazon. So right now, you can get a mini doll for about the same price as the 1/6 scale, because she is $14.99 at the moment. Here are the same 3 core characters as Minnie. We have Aria, Yasmin, and Dream Ella. Oh wow, kind of loving the mini Aria. Yasmin wears a crossbody bag. They have elbow articulation? Like Barbie Extra Mini, these are not little sisters. They look like they're just a smaller scale, with a completely different face and more articulation. But we're still getting eyeshadow up to the eyebrows. There is movement at the head, the shoulder, the elbow, the hip, and the knee. Standing at about 6 inches tall, they are taller than the Barbie Extra Minis. When comparing the two, they both have fabric fashion. The Dream Ella doll does have some printed details like the printed stitching. Lots of hair. This one has some product, but out of the box, she's looking pretty decent. Not sure why they cut that piece there. The Barbie Extra Mini, on the other hand, could use a wash day right out of the box. They have the same articulation. We're getting painted details on the Dream Ella shoes. And when it comes to proportions, I kind of like MGA's better. Say what? I know, right? The Barbie Extra Mini has a large head. The Dream Ella doll has long legs. And their earrings are removable. Personally, if I had to choose between the two, I'm leaning towards the Dream Ella Extra Iconic Mini. What do you think? Let us know in the comments down below. Barbie Extra Mini or Dream Ella Extra Iconic Mini? Wow, we did a lot today. Added to our purse collection, completed our Turning Red collection, checked out some Amazon finds, opened mail, best socks ever, and had a mini versus, random doll stuff. Thank you for joining us for another random doll stuff video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.